Holy, I bought so much stuff. My grandma can spit farther than that. Just woke up, getting ready, doing a quick pre-trip, brushing our teeth, and then we're heading out. Check all the tires quick. Make sure we don't have a loose tire somewhere. I always like to go underneath the trailer. Yesterday I fixed that up there. See, the spring was hanging down, so I fixed that up there. You want to look at all your cables, make sure none of them are rubbing through, everything's good. Looking good. I got two of these toolboxes. They're strapped on. My dad had an accident, so I had to pick up his stuff from his truck. Now I have two of those. So yeah, everything looks good. Let's head to Mississauga and then drop the trailer, and then from there I'm going to Winnipeg. So. Got to Starsky. This is a Russian/German store. They have lots of candies, lots of sweets, lots of unhealthy goodness. Check this out. These ones are definitely one of my favorites. We used to eat them as kids. Take a bunch of these. No more? In the back you don't have any either?
No.
Whatever is here is here?
Yeah, on this.
I really like those. I come all the way from Manitoba. Alright, thank you. Dang it. They don't have any more of these. These are one of the best. We got two of them. Check this out. All this German candy. Oh, these ones look all delicious. There's coffees and teas. Man, being in here brings back so many memories. All these German candies that we used to eat as we were kids. But I'm trying to be on a diet now, so just only buying for other family members. Holy moly. Look at how much stuff I bought. And there's more in here. And more in there. I bought so much stuff. People are kind of giving me weird looks. Whatever, I don't care. I was in there for an hour and a half. Messaging my family what they all wanted. So hopefully they all get all their sweets and are happy. I got 2 cooler bags that I always carry with me just in cases like this, so I'm gonna fill those up. So this is where I come in, then I park right there. I have to walk all the way around, but we make it work. Ah, crap, doesn't close. Or does it? Yeah, it does. Cart away. Oh, well, almost broke my tripod. Dang. Now we're gonna load everything up into our coolers and then go for a shower. There we go, guys. I got it all packed in. This is my dad's cooler that I picked up from his truck. He crashed his truck, so I picked up all his stuff. That's why my truck is so full here. And then there's a fridge from his truck I took out. And then this is the other bag with all the candies. I put some cold bottles in here, then I put some more bottles in the fridge, in the freezer, so they're cool, and then I swap them out so the chocolate stays nice and cool. Now I'm making some lunch, and then after I'm gonna go fuel, get a shower, and then see if my trailer is ready to head home from Mississauga. So much energy, let's go do a workout. shower at a truck stop. Get the leaves. Oh, it feels good to be clean. All nice and fresh. Guys, I think that's it for this week's video. I'm still waiting on my trailer. I'm gonna try to upload 1 or 2 of these videos a week. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel,